Hello everyone. The class 10th Artificial Intelligence subject with subject code AI417 is taken by thousands of students across India every year. However, school textbooks often focus heavily on theory and board exam preparation. We are creating a new course to cover all topics for the class 10 skill based subject Artificial Intelligence with practical and simple real life examples, Python programs, and a complete end to end project. This course is not only for class 10 but also for class 9 students because I am going to cover basics from class 9 as well. In this video, we will discuss complete syllabus with marks breakdown in detail. I have also shared complete syllabus with breakdown on my website as well. I am posting link in the description box. This course builds directly on the AI foundation laid in class 9th and takes learners deeper into modeling, evaluation and hands-on Python. If you don't have much grasp on class 9 topics, don't worry, we will cover all class 9 basics here. Good marks can easily be scored in artificial intelligence with a step-by-step approach, practice and little effort. Follow my channel for video for regular learning and topic-wise practice questions and coding problems. So syllabus for AI is divided into 4 sections. Total marks 100, out of which 50 goes to theory and 50 from practical. Part A and B are theory and C and D are practical. 10 marks of theory will be come from Part A employability skills, which consists of communication, self-management, ICT, entrepreneurial and green skills, and each unit is of 2 marks maximum. We are not going to cover this in our videos. Part A is very easy. I will share link for the book and PDF so that you can go through it and easily score good marks in this part. We are going to focus on part B, which is a subject specific skill section that consists of 40 marks. It has 7 units. Revisiting AI project cycle and ethical framework, which is of 7 marks. Advanced concepts of modeling in AI, which is of highest weightage 11 marks. Third, evaluating models, which is also of high weightage of 10 marks. We need to focus more on chapter 2 and chapter 3, and these concepts are newer as compared to class 9 as well. Fourth and seventh, statistical data and advanced Python. Theory is not going to come from these parts, but practical will come from these two chapters. Fifth and sixth, computer vision and natural language processing. From these two chapters, both theory and practical units will be covered. Part C consists of practical work covering statistical data, computer vision, NLP and advanced Python. This is where you build your practical file, sit for practical examination and appear for Viva. It is of total 35 marks. Part D is the project work where students build an AI solution, take part in field work and extend their portfolio which they build in class 9, ideally tied to sustainable development goal as per CBSE pattern. Part D is of 15 marks. So I am building complete course on class 10 artificial intelligence skill based subject code AI417 and also going to cover all basic topics from class 9 as well. Complete summary of how the 100 marks in AI417 for class 10 CBSE actually break down. The course has 4 parts. Part A employability skills, part B subject specific skills, which is big one of 40 marks. Part C practical work of 35 marks and part B project work. Round it at 15 marks, and those adds up to a grand total of 100 marks. Part B itself has 7 units, out of which practical will be covered in statistical data and advanced Python and computer vision and NLP. So if you are planning your studying time, Unit 2 and Unit 3 deserve the most attention on the theory side, while Unit 4, 5, 6 and 7 deserve more attention on practical side. Save this video for the full unit by unit breakdown. Head to datasciencehorizon.com. In this course, we will start with some basics of class 9, then we will go deeper into modeling, evaluation, ethics and Python based AI project for class 10th. Link for complete course details is available on my website with GitHub account details in description box. Do check out. Stay tuned for first video on first chapter of part B, that is revisiting AI project cycle and ethical frameworks for AI.